These factories produce massive amounts of mushrooms daily, using advanced robotics and automated systems. Discover the excitement behind this amazing process. Cultivated mushrooms production occurs in enormous factories designed for efficiency, cleanliness, and high-volume output. Compost is first made by mixing straw, manure, gypsum, and water, then fermented and pasteurized to eliminate harmful organisms. The cooled compost is transported to growing rooms via automated conveyors, where temperature and humidity are carefully controlled. Mushroom spores are evenly spread, developing into mycelium. After colonizing the compost, a layer of peat moss, casing, encourages rapid mushroom growth. The compost cools down, becoming the ideal medium for mushroom spores to grow. When mushrooms reach their optimal size, often within just a few days, they are ready for harvesting. Massive factories employ sophisticated machinery, including automated picking machines equipped with robotic arms and sensors, to gently and rapidly pick mushrooms from their beds. These mushrooms travel along large conveyor belts, ensuring gentle handling to prevent bruising. Once harvested, mushrooms undergo sorting. Advanced cameras and automated sorters grade mushrooms by size, color, and quality. Damaged or misshapen mushrooms are separated from those suitable for packaging and distribution. Following sorting, mushrooms enter the packaging phase. Automated conveyors carefully transport mushrooms from sorting areas to packaging stations, ensuring a seamless flow without manual handling. These conveyors are designed with gentle curves and cushioned belts to minimize vibrations and protect mushrooms from bruising or damage. Automated packaging machines receive mushrooms directly from these conveyors, quickly placing them into trays or boxes. Precise weighing systems accurately measure each package to maintain consistent quality and quantity. Advanced sealing technology is then used to securely seal packages, preserving mushroom freshness, preventing moisture loss, and providing protection during transit. After packaging, mushrooms are conveyed once again through automated conveyor systems to refrigerated storage rooms. These storage rooms are carefully maintained at optimal temperatures and humidity levels, ensuring mushrooms remain fresh until they are shipped. From storage, automated conveyors facilitate smooth, efficient loading of packaged mushrooms onto large refrigerated trucks. Some mushrooms follow a different route for chopped mushroom distribution. These mushrooms are transported via conveyors to specialized cutting stations, equipped with automated machinery that precisely slices and dices the mushrooms into uniform pieces. After cutting, the chopped mushrooms are immediately packaged by automated systems into sealed containers, bags, or boxes, ready for retail or commercial use. Large refrigerated trucks then distribute these mushrooms daily to supermarkets, restaurants, and other markets, ensuring freshness and quality from factory to consumer.